I started this challenge with $100. Now the account stands at $4,796. Today, I'm taking only 3 trades, all using my 1-minute binary option trading strategies. Every entry has to be perfect, no room for mistake. And in this video, I'll show you the exact setup that I wait for, the confirmation that gives me confidence, and how you can apply the same in your trading. Stay focused because one wrong click changes everything. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Right now I'm analyzing odd yen chart and I have a clear trading opportunity. The price is retracing back and it is about to hit a liquidity zone and I'm expecting a reversal here. Okay, price already hitting the zone. Let's wait for the closing, and we also have another level where we can expect a reversal. Okay, let's mark this zone. The chances of reversal are high. Let me open the 5-second chart because I will place my trade instantly if I get confirmation. I need strong bullish reversal pattern here. Price is standing at a recent support level, so chances of price reversal are really high. Let's wait. I need strong bullish confirmation. The 1-minute closing is also at the support, the recent support, so chances of reversal are high. Yes, that's the confirmation, and I have placed the first trade of this session in the upside direction. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So if you just focus here, this whole zone, if I include this level, this is also a good support, but if I include this one, this is the recent support level. Now if you focus on the closing of this 1-minute candle, the 1-minute candle closes above the support level, which means there is no clear breakout, and as there is no breakout, we can expect that price will reverse. So chances of reversal were high. All I needed was a good strong confirmation from the buyers that price will reverse. So on 5-second chart, you can see that initially we have rejections but no strong confirmation from the buyers, but finally this particular candle gave a clear confirmation that price will reverse. Now let's understand the strategy. So the strategy is very simple. We waited here for the price to retrace back. This is the retracement phase and this is the recently formed support level. So this is recent support, and in any trendy market you will find the recent support or recent resistance helping the price to reverse. In this case, as this is an uptrend, we use the recent support. Price retraces back, hit the recent support and did not break through, meaning chances of price reversing in the upside directions are high. To place a trade, we have to wait for a strong bullish confirmation here. This particular candle gave a clear sign that buyers are strong. It came right from the support level and it also broke the recently rejected level. So it was a confirmation that the buyers are strong and I can place my trade in the upside direction. And I did the same and we booked profit. So today, this is our first trade. We have used the recent support level for the reversal, and the candle closing was also important. You can see the closing was above without a breakout. So chances of reversal were high. I took the trade and we booked profit. Let's find other trading setup. On odd yen chart, the price is still standing at the support level. It is now trying to give a breakout. If it gave a breakout, then I will leave this opportunity. But if not, then I will go for a reversal trade. Let's wait for the closing. Last 4 seconds are remaining. And okay, the price, you can see it gave a clear breakout. So I'm not going to place any trade here. I'll wait now for the price to go up and hit this recent resistance so that I can take a trade. Let's mark the zone. Chances of price reversal from this zone are very high. We just have to wait for the price to go up, hit this zone, and if the price does not break it, we can go for our reversal trade in the downward direction. And if not, if price goes up and break this zone, then we will look for trading opportunities in the upside direction. Let's wait now. Price finally hit the resistance here. Now I will wait for this 1 minute candle to close. If this candle closes below this level and the closing is near to this resistance zone, I will look for reversal trade in the downward direction. The candle closing needs to be near to this resistance, then only I'll trigger any trade. I will not place any trade if the candle closing is here or here. I need closing to be near to this zone, then only I will trigger any trade. Okay, it is reversing completely right now. The candle closing is here, so I'm not placing a trade. I will wait for the price to go up one more time and close near to this resistance without any breakout. If it gave a breakout, then I will use this resistance as a support and will place trade in the upside direction. If closing is near without a break, I will look for trade in the downward direction. Let's wait now. The price is going to close. The candle is very near, so I'm opening the 5-second chart. Now I need strong bearish reversal pattern because the closing is near to this resistance. Chances of reversal are high. I need strong bearish reversal pattern here. No breakout till now, and we still have no strong bearish reversal pattern formation. That's why I'm not placing a trade. Now this is the confirmation. We got clear bearish reversal pattern formation here when price was trying to break this resistance zone. Let's understand the logic behind this trade. So as you can see, this was a recent resistance. When price started falling, it fall, then it retraces back, fall again from this zone. So this is the recent resistance. Now this recent resistance is important because if price retraces back once again to break this zone and fail to do so, then chances of reversal are high. Here you can see I was waiting for the price to go up, hit this zone, and without a breakout, the candle closing needs to be near to the resistance. You can see here on this candle the price hit the resistance. Here also it hit the resistance, but the closing is here, so I avoided a trade here. In this particular candle, the price hit the resistance, then it closes near to the resistance. It was a sign that chances of price reversal are high. I waited for a clear bearish reversal pattern. On 5-second chart, the price goes up, and here you can see there was no strong confirmation. These are liquidity sweep here, which means shooting star formed here, but it was not strong. I waited for a clear breakout, and you can see this was a good rejection level. It has been broken here by this candle, so it was a confirmation that yes, now the price will fall as the sellers are strong here, and that's why I placed my trade. And if you look at this candle also, the closing is inside, so no strong breakout was there. Chances of reversal were high, but according to the confirmation, it was showing that yes, price should fall now. So I placed the trade and we booked profit. Right now the price is going up again because the overall trend is uptrend, but as we are focusing on the recently formed support or resistance and using the closing of the candle as our important criteria for reversal, we are successfully booking profit because till now we have taken 2 trades. Both are based upon recently formed level, and the closing of the candle was inside without a breakout, and we booked profit because we were looking for a reversal trade. Now we have taken 2 trades. Let's find the last trade of today's session using the same trading strategy. Right now I am analyzing Euro odd chart and I have a trade opportunity. As you can see that price is falling here, and this is a recently formed resistance zone. So let's use this zone for a reversal trade. To place a trade, what we need the price to close without breaking this level. The 1 minute candle is very near to the breakout stage. Let's wait. Last 17 seconds are remaining. If price hold this particular level, chances of reversal will be very high. Last 8 seconds are remaining. I'm ready to place my trade. Let's open the 5-second chart. Chances of reversal are high. Okay, the 1 minute candle closes inside, so I'm expecting a reversal trade here. I need strong selling confirmation to place a trade. I can see few rejection candle but no strong confirmation from the seller's end. That's why I'm not placing any trade. Let's wait. As the 1 minute candle is inside, the reversal scenario is possible here. I'm waiting for strong confirmation. Okay, the price is still going in the upside direction, which means now I should avoid this particular setup. Because there was no confirmation, I didn't place any trade. The confirmation part is very important. You can't place your trade just because the 1 minute candle closes inside the zone. You need strong confirmations from the sellers also in order to place a trade. And here I'm waiting for the price to go up now more, because this particular opportunity is gone, and for me now the next reversal zone is here. So either the price will go up or it will fall, and I will use this bottom for a reversal trade. So let's wait now. Either I'm going to use this resistance, this major resistance, or this recently formed swing low for a reversal trade. The candle closing needs to be inside without a breakout. So let's wait for the price to fall. It is falling right now. Or I can also use this zone. Let's target a reversal trade from here. If price does not form any confirmation candle here, I will avoid this and then will use this particular zone. Let's wait now. Price approaching the recently formed support. The only thing that I want is price going down, hitting this zone, and closing of the 1 minute candle needs to be above this level. Then I will trigger a reversal trade. Let's wait. Last 10 seconds are remaining. Chances of reversal are really high. Last 5 seconds. Let's open the 5-second chart. I need strong candlestick confirmation now, and okay, price reversed again. I need strong buying candle in order to place a reversal trade. I can see rejection but no strong entry from the buyer's end. Still waiting for a confirmation. Chances of reversal are high as the candle closing is above the support. Okay, you can see there is no strong confirmation from the buyer. So in this case, we can avoid this setup as the buyers are not showing interest here. So as the buyers are not showing interest, let's wait now. Okay, the candle is going inside. Let's wait for this candle to close. If it closes above this level, I will trigger a reversal trade. Last 8 seconds, and okay, it's last 5 seconds. Okay, the candle closes below, so it's a breakout candle. Now we will target reversal trade from this zone. Now as this is a big zone, I will focus on finding a confirmation candle from this particular zone near to this rejected level, because this whole zone is very big and most of the traders might be waiting to take any action near to this particular level. So let's wait for the price to go down and hit this particular zone, and then I will trigger a trade if I found confirmation near to this particular wick rejected level. Let's wait now. Price finally hit the support level here, and now I'm expecting a reversal, but as I have discussed previously that I will place my trade if I get confirmation near to this support level, because this zone is quite big. I'm expecting a reversal from this wick rejected level, not from this whole zone. So let's wait patiently for the price to fall further, and from this zone, if I get confirmation, I will trigger a trade. Let's wait now. Price hit the support range, and now I'm switching the 5-second chart because chances of reversal are high. We have a strong confirmation. I'm waiting for the candle to close. Last 8 seconds are remaining, and I will instantly place a trade because we already have a confirmation here. And yes, that's a confirmation. So let's understand the logic behind this trade. The 1 minute candle closing is very important. Let me first remove everything and let me draw this key level. So this particular level previously reverses the price. Now, as I told you that I will only trigger a trade if the confirmation came near to this support level, this particular level exactly. Here you can see that the candle closing on the 1 minute chart is just above the level. So there is no clear breakout. And if there is no clear breakout, chances of reversal are high. To place a trade, we need strong bullish confirmation here because we are targeting a reversal trade in the upside direction. On 5-second chart, we already have the confirmation here. You can see this is a strong confirmation, but I didn't place my trade here because I was waiting for the 1 minute candle to close. The 1 minute candle closes here, so I instantly place a trade because I have the 5-second confirmation. The 1 minute candle also closes above without a breakout, so both of these confirmations suggested that price will reverse for 1 minute. I placed my trade and you can see the price reverses and we booked profit. So today I have taken 3 trades. All are based upon single concept. The closing of the 1 minute is very, very important in this trading strategy. So let me summarize this strategy for you. You just have to find a strong support level or a recently formed support level in this case. Or in general, you should find a support or resistance level that you think is going to work. Then you will draw the zone, and then you will wait for the 1 minute candle to hit that exact zone. And if there is no breakout on the 1 minute chart, you can expect a reversal. To place a trade on that particular scenario, you have to switch your chart from 1 minute to the 5-second chart, and then you have to find a reversal pattern. In this case, I got this engulfing pattern. It was a confirmation that price will reverse as buyers are showing interest. So I placed a trade and booked profit. This strategy is strictly for real market, not for OTC, and is only advisable to trade with 1 minute expiry setup. Do not try to apply the same strategy with 5-minute expiry. I am just analyzing the chart on 1 minute, and I'm using this strategy for 1 minute reversal trades only. So I hope you learned the concept that I taught today, and I am going to use the same strategy for the next 1 week because I think this strategy is really good and it's easy to apply. And I hope you guys are making profit using the same strategy. Do not place trade without confirmation. Confirmation part is the most essential here. So with this note, I'm ending this session here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow with new trading opportunities, new explanation. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.